Okay, so now let's do question number 3. This is the diagram given in the question. You will copy the diagram also with the help of pencil. Okay, and girls, please follow the same process, same steps. This is A, O, C, and this one is B. So here find the value of x. So for this, first you will write x plus 25 plus 3x plus 15 is equal to 180 degree, and the reason you will write straight angle. Okay, now then solve it. X plus 3x is equal to what? 4x plus 5, 5, 10, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4 is equal to 180, and so 4x is equal to 180 minus 40 is equal to 140, and so x is equal to 140 divided by 4, that is 4 3s are 12, then 13, 14, 2, 4 5s are 20, so 35. X is equal to 35. So this is sub part 1. Now sub part 2, angle AOB, and angle AOB is what? X plus 25. Okay, so here we can write x is 35, so 35 plus 25 is equal to what we can write? 10, 3 and 2, 5 and 1, 6, so 60 degree. Now sub part 3, angle BOC. So angle BOC is equal to what? It is given here that 3x plus 15, and 3 into the value of x is what? 35 plus 15. So this we can write 3 into 35 is 5 3s are 15, then 3 3s are 9 and 1 10 plus 15 is equal to 5 5 10 1 and 1 2 120 degree is the answer. Clear? Now then sub part question number 4. In the given figure, find the value of y. So again you will copy the diagram, and then I am writing the equation here. You will write y plus 150 minus x plus x is equal to 180, and the reason is a straight angle. Then y plus minus x and plus x, what? We can cancel. So y plus 150 is equal to 180, and so y is equal to 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degree. So value of y is what? 30 degree. Clear? Now next is, so in each question diagram is given that you will draw in your copy. Okay, I am doing the process here. So diagram you can copy from the book, and process you can see. Then question number 5. In question number 5 you have to find the value of PQR. So it is not given that PQ is perpendicular on SR. So simply we will write x plus 70 plus 20 minus x plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree. And then reason you will write is straight angle. Clear? Reason you will write straight angle. Then again x and minus x you can cancel. What is left? 90 plus angle PQR is equal to 180, and so angle PQR is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. Clear? Now question number 6. It is given that P is equal to Q is equal to R. Find each. You have to find the value of each. So let P is equal to Q is equal to R is equal to X. Suppose. Okay. So we can write P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. And the reason you can write what? Straight angle. This is very important to write the reason. In geometry you have to write the reason. So in place of PQR we can write what? X plus X plus X. is equal to 180 degree. So 3x is equal to 180 degree, and so x is equal to what? 180 divided by 3, that is 60 degree. So x is 60 means what? P is equal to Q is equal to R is equal to 60 degree is the answer. Clear? Now next is question number 7. If x is equal to 2y, then you have to find the value of x and you have to find the value of y. So according to the diagram, what you can write? X plus y is equal to 180 degree, and the reason is what? Is straight angle. So in place of x, what we can write? 2y we can write. So 2y plus y is equal to what? 180 degree. 2y plus y is equal to what? 3y 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 by 3, that is 60 degree. So the value of y is 60 degree. Clear? Now you have to find the value of x. So x is given what? 2y, and value of y is 60 degree. So x will be equal to 2 into 60 is equal to 120 degree. Clear? Now question number 8. Question number 8, if b is equal to a plus c, then find the value of b. So a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degree, and the reason is what? Is straight angle. So a plus, in place of b we can write a plus c, and then plus c is equal to what? Is equal to 180 degree. Clear? So a and a is what? 2a plus 2c is equal to 180 degree. So 2 is common. What is left? A plus c is equal to 180 degree. So a plus c is equal to what? 180 by 2 is equal to 90 degree. Clear? And what is given in the question? A plus c is equal to what? B. It means b is equal to 90 degree answer. Clear? Now next, question number 9. In the given figure, AB is perpendicular to BC at B. Then find the value of x. So here it is given that AB is perpendicular to BC. So directly we can write the equation: x plus 20 plus 2x plus 1 plus 7x minus 11 is equal to 90. And the reason is what? You will write AB is perpendicular to BC at B. This you will write. Clear? So now solve the equation. So x plus 2x is equal to what? 3x, and 3x plus 7x is equal to what? 10x. Then 10x and then 20 and 1. 21 and 21 minus 11. Clear? Is equal to 90 degree. So 10x is equal to what we can write? 11 minus 21 minus 11 is 10. Here minus sign you will give. Is equal to 90 degree. So 10x is equal to 90 plus 10 is equal to 100. So x is equal to what we can write here? X is equal to, we can write 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. So here you have to find the value of what? X. So value of x you got. Complement of angle x. So again subpart 2. Subpart 2 you can write complement of x degree is equal to what? 90 minus 10. You know complement means when the sum of two angle is equal to 90 degrees. So 90 minus 10 is equal to 80, and the answer is 80 degree. Complement of x. Okay. Now next question number 10. Question number 10 subpart 1. Question number 10 subpart 1. Complement of 25. So don't write simply 25. Write in words. Complement of 25 is equal to 90 minus 25, and that is equal to 10 minus 5 is what? 5. And what is left here? Yes, 8. 8 minus 2 is 65. Clear? Then subpart 2, 90. So again you will write complement of 90 degree is equal to 90 minus 90 is equal to 0. Answer. Then the third one, complement of a degree is equal to 90 minus a is the answer. Clear? 90 minus a simply. Then subpart 4, complement of what? Complement of x plus 5 degree. Then what we will do? We will subtract it from 90 degrees. So 90 minus, then bracket open, x plus 5 bracket close. Again solve it. 90 before bracket minus sign is there. So all the sign inside the bracket will change. So it will become minus x minus 5. Now solve it. 90 minus 5, 85. 85 minus x is the answer. Then fifth is 30 minus a degree. So again we will write what? Complement of 30 minus a degree is equal to what? Then we will write 90 minus, inside the bracket we will write 30 minus a degree. And so 90 minus 30 plus a. So 90 minus 30 is what? 60. 60 plus a is the answer. Okay. Now question number 6. 1 by 2 of right angle. 1 by 2 of means multiplication sign. Clear? Right angle means 90 degree. So now cancel it. You will get what? 45. Means you have to find the value of complement of 45 degree. So this is equal to 90 minus 45 is equal to what? 45. Answer. Now then the seventh one. In seventh it is given 1 by 3. 1 by 3 of 180. So of means multiplication sign. Then cut it. Then 3 6 are 18 0. 60 degree. And so again you will write complement of 60 degree is equal to 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 degree. Clear? 90 minus 60 is equal to 30 degree. Now next is complement of 8. Complement of 21 degree 17 minutes. So you will subtract from 90 degree. 90 you will write up, and below that you will write 21 degree 17 minutes. Clear? And you will subtract. So here 90 degree is given. In minutes nothing is written. We will write 60 minutes. Okay? And then we will cut this one. 1 degree we will shift. So 1 degree is equal to, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So this will become what? 89 degree. And this minute will write here 60. Then we will do the subtraction. So 10 minus 7 is equal to what? 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. Clear? And then 9 minus 1 is what? 8. And 8 minus 2 is what? 6. So 68 degree 43 minute is the answer. Okay. Now do question number 11. Question number 11 subpart 1. Question number 11 subpart 1. Supplement of. Supplement means we have to subtract it from 180 degree. Clear? Supplement means we have to subtract from which angle? 180 degree. So now 100 degree. So we will write supplement of 100 degree is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. Then subpart 2, supplement of 0. So supplement of 0 degree is equal to 180 minus 0 is what? 180 degree. Then the third one, supplement of what? X degree. So 180 minus x is the answer. Then the fourth one, supplement of x plus 35 degree. So supplement of x plus 35 degree means 180 minus x plus 35. So 180 minus, inside the bracket the sign will change. So it will become minus x and minus 35. Then 180 minus 35 what? 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 3, 4, 145 degree minus x is the answer. Then the fifth one, supplement of 90 plus a plus b. So this what we will do, we will subtract it from 180 minus 90 plus a plus b. So 180 minus 90 minus a minus b. Okay, so 180 minus 90, 90 minus a minus b is the answer. Clear? Now then the sixth one, we will do. So sixth is a supplement of, we will write supplement of 110 minus x minus 2y degree is equal to, so 180 minus 110 minus x minus 2y. So 180 minus 110 plus x plus 2y. 180 minus 110 is what? 70 degree plus x plus 2y is the answer. Now seventh one, 1/5 of right angle. So 1/5 of means multiplication sign 90 degree. Okay. So how many times? 5 ones are 5, 4, 5 eights are 40. So 18 degree. And then we will write supplement of 18 degree is equal to 180 minus 18. 180 minus 18 is what? 10 minus 8, 2, 7 minus 1, 6, 162 degree. Then sub part 8, 80 degree, 49 minutes and 25 seconds. Again we will subtract it from 180 degree. So 180 and then below this we will write 80 degree, 49 minutes, 25 seconds. Then here what we will do, we will cut 180 and we will write 179. 1 degree we will change it in the minutes, so it will become 60 minutes. Again we will cut 60, we will write 59 and 1 minute we will write above 25. So 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, and then we will do the subtraction. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 9 minus 9 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 9 minus 0, 9, and 17 minus 8 is 9. Clear? So answer will be 99 degree, 10 minutes, 35 seconds. This is the answer. So please do it nicely, neatly. You do it in the copy. If you get any problem, you see the video again and again. You will be able to solve it all. Clear? And please follow the process strictly as I have done. Don't forget to write the reasons. Rest of the questions I will upload in the next video. Thank you.